Hello all, Alex with Geek Computer Guys, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to go about organizing all your photos within the Photos app in Mac OS. So let's go ahead and dive in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the Photos app here, and this is what it usually will look like. And if you have your photos synced with iCloud, which is really great, you'll see them all appear here. So the way I usually like to structure it is I create a folder for the year, and then under that folder I will create albums based off the events. So if I went to a Christmas party, I'd put that Christmas party in that album under that year. So let's go ahead and we're going to start by download some videos, some wallpaper here for the winter stuff. So we're going to start by creating a new folder. Actually, before I select that, let's just create a new folder. So we're going to go File, New Folder, and we're going to give it this year's name. Perfect. Then we're going to go back to our library, and I'm going to go ahead and select the winter photos. And if I right click on the actual folder, this is the easiest way to get them in there. There's an option that says New Album from Selection. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a new album. You're going to be able to name it, and it's going to automatically put those photos you selected into that album. So we're going to call it Winter. And there we go. We're going to go back to our library. Let's go ahead and select. We're going to just select. We're going to deselect, and we're going to select everything that is nature related. We're going to do the exact same thing. Right click on our folder here. New album from selection. Okay, nature. Go back to our library. Now we're going to do abstract. Same thing here. Right click on our 2025 folder from selection. So this is how you can go about creating folders and albums within Photos and going about organizing your photos. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.